Dear students, we're going to learn the 11th exercise in our second lesson. 11th exercise in our second lesson. Faites l'accord des adjectifs. Do the agreement for the adjectives. So at the end of the adjective, we need to do something called agreement, accord. According to the subject, we need to put the endings at the end of the adjective. Usually, if the subject is feminine singular, we add an E. If the subject is masculine plural, we add an S. If the subject is feminine plural, we add an E and S. But if the subject is in masculine singular, you write the same spelling of the adjective, because within brackets, the original form of the adjective will be always in masculine singular form. Okay, keeping this in mind, let's analyze each and every sentence. The first sentence, ils étaient plus communicants. They were more connected. They were more connected. Now, can you see the adjective communicant? It's written within brackets. And remember, this adjective communicant is in masculine singular form. But here you're going to talk about the subject, which is masculine plural. The adjective I told you within brackets is masculine singular, but the subject is masculine plural. So what you need to do, how do you do the agreement for this adjective? Write the same spelling, the masculine singular spelling, and since the subject pronoun is masculine plural, take the masculine singular spelling and just add an S. So finally, your answer will be ils étaient plus communicants. Communicants with an S because the subject is masculine plural. The second sentence, les femmes étaient heureuses même sans télévision. The women were happy even without television. The women were happy even without television. So here, the adjective isn't within brackets. I told you when the adjective is within brackets, it's in masculine singular form. And in the masculine singular form, it ends with EUX. But in the subject, we have a subject noun, the women, which is feminine plural. So what you need to do is, we need to take the masculine singular form and we need to change it into feminine singular, and then you add an S to make it into feminine plural. The first one, les femmes étaient dash même sans télévision. So this is your actual sentence, but in between there's a dash here, there's a space here, and there you need to put the right spelling of the adjective error. Here within brackets is in masculine singular form, but since the subject is feminine plural, EUX, please remember the rule. When you find the ending EUX in the masculine singular adjective and you want to change it to feminine singular, EUX will change to EUSE. And can you see we have added an S to tell that we are using this adjective to talk about this subject, which is feminine plural. So EUX will change to EUSE for feminine singular, and you add an S, it will become feminine plural. The third sentence, le vieillard est tombé dans une rue glissante. The old man fell down in a road which is slippery. So the old man fell down in a road. What kind of road is that? It's slippery. So the adjective within brackets, it's in masculine singular form, but that adjective, we are using that to talk about a noun that is feminine singular. Rue, it's feminine singular. So what will it do? Take the masculine singular spelling and just add an E, it'll become feminine singular. Now the fourth sentence, Les jeunes utilisent des gadgets modernes. The young people use modern gadgets. So the sentence you write as it is, and since we're talking about gadget, the gadgets which is masculine plural, take the masculine singular spelling of modern and add an S. Very simple. Fifth one. Elle est normalement prudente quand elle traverse la rue. She is usually careful when she crosses the road. So she is normally careful when she crosses the road. So the adjective is prudent, which is within brackets, it's in masculine singular form. But since we're in the subject, we're talking about she, feminine singular. So what will be your agreement? Take the masculine singular form and just add an E. It's a very simple exercise. Please go through this video again and you'll be able to understand this exercise really well. Thank you.